So so why TAG Mobi? Okay, why do we even exist? Okay, there's key challenges right now in those asset intensive industries. Okay, the most searched keywords are really downtime. Okay, so we see here we have the stats: unplanned failure costs manufacturers about $50 billion a year. Some of our larger client, about an hour of downtime is costed in the millions of dollars. Okay, and um, management really has no lack of visibility. Can you imagine being like a VP of engineering and you don't know if you need to report to your boss? Why did we lose $1 million? And you don't know yet. So these are the key challenges that kind of motivates enterprise asset management system. Um, However, user adoption is a big deal. Okay, historically, maintenance systems have been complex. Okay, we've had poor adoption, so there's this really fuels the skilled labor shortage. Not only do we not have a lot of skilled technicians, if they're not using the tools that we put in place, you're just not getting the ROI that you need. You're not actually preventing downtime.
And we all know if you have a complex system out there, then what happens in many of these organizations is spreadsheets take over. And there's nothing harder to manage than 200 spreadsheets by 200 inspectors coming in to tell me how to maintain my equipment.